Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some delicious cream spinach. The most delicious cream spinach you guys are going to ever make. These are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, the mushrooms there are for my pizza, which I use the cream spinach for. Alright, so here we are going to melt some butter, add some onion and garlic, cook for 2 minutes. Then we're going to add some flour and allow this to cook for an additional 3 minutes. Then I'm using coconut milk. You guys can use heavy cream half and half or just pure milk. Season to your likeness and taste. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to add your cheese. Now my favorite, and I would recommend freshly grated Parmesan and smoked Gouda together. The bomb. Absolutely delicious. So tasty and flavorful. Then after the cheese would have melted, you are going to add your wilted spinach. All right, you cook that for about 4 minutes and then you take it out and then you put it here. Make sure everything is really well combined and that's it. Beautiful and delicious. You can serve as is or you can make other recipes from this cream spinach. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.